The interior has been gone through as well, and doesn't need anything at all. Just basically store it and drive it summertime. That's what we do. Hasn't been driven in the rain or snow or anything like that. So the interior is all gone through. Has a power lock, power window, remote starter, and interior has been redone, and no tears or anything. It's all 4x4 shifters and cassette players. AC gone through last year. Blow cold air, nice heat all the way around. It's very nice. Only has 58,000 on it. All the gauges, everything works